Hello everyone, welcome back to Scott's Honest Reviews. So today we are reviewing Smart USB TV Light Strip. It's got 16 million colors, 5 watts, 30 LM, works with Alexa and works with Google Assistant. You get a little manual, you get the LEDs, and you got a little control here, and this has a button that you can transmit. And you can get it on Google Play or Apple Store. It says Tram Smart or Tram Smart, and we're going to mount this on. Alright, so we went ahead and we filled our cross here with our strip. Now we're going to go ahead and mount this. Alright guys, so we got it installed. I installed it upside down because I didn't want the blue light to be shining, even though we're going to, that's the button, but we're going to be using the app for all of our lights and stuff, which we just downloaded. Alright, so we had to pop the button back off, and we had to hold the ring light, the button, for 5 seconds for pairing mode, and now that we have it in pairing mode, we can go ahead and swap everything out.